In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of the Instagram app not opening on your iPhone. If you're having trouble opening the Instagram app on your iPhone, don't worry, you're not alone. There are a few simple steps you can take to try to fix the issue. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. And then tap and select the Instagram app from this list. What you want to do next is tap where it says, Offload app. By offloading the app, you are essentially removing the application while retaining its data. This process can help eliminate any corrupted files or glitches that may be causing the app not to function correctly. And then tap Reinstall app. Reinstalling Instagram from the App Store provides a fresh installation, potentially resolving any underlying issues that were preventing it from opening properly. It's a simple yet effective troubleshooting step that can often revive a malfunctioning app on your iPhone. Hopefully this will fix your issue, and you can use your Instagram app again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.